Hello, today I'm going to do a review of this battery tester. Mine's actually made by AAA, but I'm sure there's other ones around as well. And I've had this for a while, and it's actually really good because if you're anything like me, you've often got bags of batteries that you're unsure whether they're new or used. They all sort of get mixed up together. There's sort of different brands in there. Okay, so what's really good about it is that before you use any of these batteries, you get a chance to test them to see exactly what sort of charge they've got left in them. And there's sort of three zones. There's a red for replace, there's a yellow for low, or the green for good. And that one's just on the green for good, so that one's still good. So that would be good, still good to use that one, especially when in something that didn't use a lot of power, like a clock or something like that. That would still be a good battery to use. And let's have a look at this one. Put another AA battery in, and that's coming in at about the same, actually. About the maybe a little bit lower. It's in the low section. So yes, I might, with that battery, I might put it to one side and not use it. I'll try a third one and see if I can get one that's really get it lined up properly. Oh, so that one's down in the red for replace for that battery. So I'll give that battery a miss, or put it in the bin, and or put it in for recycling and not use it. So it's really good. But little battery tester, so you know quick and easily whether a battery that you've got is can be used or it should be sent for recycling. And they were AA batteries. You can also use these AAAs in there as well. You take AAA. Let's have a look at that AAA. That's in the red for replace, so that's one that I can put to one side and recycle. And let's have a look at this other one. This one's a Duracell, and that's that's still good, that one. That's still a good battery, so I'll hang on to that one. It'll take C's and D's as well, batteries. You just need to open up a bit wider. And it also, you can also test these 9-volt batteries on it as well. And it just make sure I get it around the right way. Oh, that's it there. So the positive goes there. I'll pop that on that, and I'll put it around that so you can see the channel. And I'm getting no reading out of that battery at all, so I'm guessing that battery is dead. You can see it's got a bit of weeping as well, that one, so that's one to get rid of. And I'll try this one, this other 9-volt battery, and there we go. Oh, there we go. That one's right up into the good range for that 9-volt battery. So yeah, it's a great little device. I think it was only a few dollars. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I've had it for a while. I'd recommend, if you're like me and you've got bags of batteries that you're unsure whether they're good or not, then yeah, I'd recommend you get one of these battery testers. I bought mine from the hardware. I think it actually came with a packet of batteries as well. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.